I screwed up. I screwed up bad. This is a confession. Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've recorded a video. I was in Las Vegas for 7 weeks working on a job. And honestly, I could not stay on track. I could not stay focused on my weight loss journey. I had too many things that were going on. I had temptations that I don't always have. I broke my routine of walking. I couldn't drink water because I was dealing poker all day. And you know, when you drink water all day, you have to be able to run to the bathroom. And that wasn't happening during dealing shifts. So I kind of lost track of it and I went on a downward spiral. So I'm back. I've been back from Vegas for about a week. And it was Thanksgiving right after I got back. And I waited that week to get started because I use the classic, I'll start on Monday. And that is what I did. And my plan to get back on track is to do a December Vlogmas. Every day I'm going to post what I eat in the day. I know I gained weight. And honestly, I am not getting on the scale right now. I'm going to wait till January to see, recover a little bit. But I'm going to use this chance, my Winning at Weight Loss channel, to give me the opportunity to get back on track and stay accountable for the food that I eat. I'm going to post every day and the food I eat to keep me on track. I got started. I did a little Aldi's haul and I'll put it in right here. Okay, I got a small Aldi's haul to get started on being back on track. I got a bag of grapefruits. Meat, I got some chicken breasts, some petite sirloin steaks, and then I got vegetables. I got frozen hash browns and sweet potatoes. Now in the personal points plan, I'm using the potatoes as 0 points, so that will help me get those points in for my plan. And then I got some bananas, green onion I like to use for flavoring food, some celery, carrots, some mini peppers to cook with or snacks. I got some white mushrooms, some sweet corn frozen package, and frozen green beans, a bag of mini cucumbers, an avocado, some light sour cream, and also a stock coffee because that's the best price on it. So that is my small Aldi's grocery haul. To get started, I also have eggs in the refrigerator so I can have breakfast, and oatmeal, which is also one of my free items. Those are the kinds of foods that I like to use to stay on track. But I tell you, when I was in Vegas, the first day we got there, which was in September 26th, I think. 26th or 27th, we were there. And I had every intention of being good or being on track or whatever you want to call it. I went to the grocery store. I bought food that was healthy. I prepared some of the food. I put it in the freezer, planning on eating it. But I ate it, but I also ate other food. And my typical day is to wake up in the morning and went to work, which we worked around 6 days a week, about 10 hours a day, some days less, some days more. And I would go to work, and this year they had a lot of healthy options for food. They had tuna salad sandwiches or egg salad sandwiches, salads with with dressings you could choose from. Everything was prepackaged. But when you're there for 56 days, that food got really old. So I would normally, after work, we would go out to eat, stop somewhere, go to a casino. I ended up being more of binge eating, I would say. I got out of control with no limits to what I was choosing to have, which is awful for weight loss. So I did put some of the weight back on, like I said. I would start off in the morning and I would maybe get an iced coffee with egg salad sandwich. They didn't have anything else for breakfast. And I would eat that. And they had donuts, a lot of donuts. Like I would say twice a week, they brought in 400 to 500 donuts. There was 600 dealers there. So they would put in all this donuts, and it was hard to resist the donuts instead of a salad. I should have brought my own food, been prepared, follow the tips that I provide for losing the weight, but it didn't happen that way. So now I have to pay the consequences of my actions. So I am doing Vlogmas daily. I want to have some healthy holidays. So I know I won't be perfect. I don't have a lot of parties to go to or anything, but we do have some holiday happenings going on. I know I have a wedding in the family in December. Christmas Eve is always a nice dinner. Cook Christmas cookies is a tradition that we have to do, but hopefully I will track them. Future videos, I'm going to give my thoughts on the new personal points plan. I'm going to do some daily what I eat in a day and some exercise. I'm trying to get back into my 10,000 step goal, drinking a gallon of water a day, and staying within my points. So keep your fingers crossed. We'll have a healthy holiday season. The key is to plan your meals. I'm not going to try not to buy any snacks in the house, and just be prepared, and be prepared for those moments that you might want to eat a little bit more, and be prepared for just anything that may come up during the holidays. Planning is key, tracking is key, exercise is key. So I'm going to do those things along with healthy eating, and hopefully we will get some of this weight off. And I also booked a cruise at the end of January, so that is going to be another temptation that will be coming up, but hopefully I will get my healthy habits back on track and be able to go on that cruise and not overdo it. Eating is such a big part of the holiday season, but I hope by you doing a daily video of what I eat in a day will help me stay on track, and it may give you some good ideas for eating healthy on the personal points plan for Weight Watchers. And hopefully we can have some healthy holidays together. And I look forward to talking to you guys again. I'm sorry I was gone away so long, but it was just so hard to stay on track and film videos. I rented an Airbnb with some friends and my daughter, and was not conducive for filming videos and eating healthy. The two other people besides my daughter they like to snack, so they had donuts around all the time and candy, and oh my gosh, I caved. I can't believe it. So I'm going to post some pictures of my time in Vegas. 37th floor of the Rio Hotel. There are hundreds of dealers, hundreds of tables, and thousands of players. My husband flew out to visit for a few days. We took a ride out to Red Rock Canyon, and I took a hike in the beautiful hills. He didn't, I did. Me and my daughter gambled. We were losers at first, but then we started winning. I hit some video pokers, and then I made the final table of a poker tournament. And then Thanksgiving week, we had my daughter came to visit, so I got to hang out with my grandkids, and we had some fun. And now it's back on track, and this is Vlogmas Day 1. We are going to go through the month of December, uploading a video every day of what I eat in a day to stay on track, and what I exercise, and any other things I do, maybe some Christmas stuff, and decorate my tree decorations, and wrapping presents, and all kinds of fun things for December. So stay tuned for Vlogmas 2021 with Winning at Weight Loss. In Vegas, instead of winning at weight loss, I was losing at weight loss. So we're turning things around right now, and we're going to get started back on track and continue my successful weight loss journey. Have yourself a healthy holiday. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.